whenever I'll be a doctor again. Remember back in October, I filmed all these central air conditioners? And yes, that was our car starting, so I have to make this quick. This is an American Standard. Allegiance 13, that's a 13 SEER. From 2006. All these units are from 2006. I can remember. And one of these carriers over here is running. Yeah. Also American Standards. But yeah, I'm trying to make this video really quick. I filmed all of these central air conditioners. There's a ductless unit. I've never heard of that. Trane. Trane. All these were running earlier. 2006 XB13. All these trains are XB13s. I can remember from that other video. Alright. Guess that's pretty much about it.